Hi, we're back here at Monaghan Electrical, and we're going to show you Milwaukee's high power impact wrench. Again, with a brushless motor, you got 5 amp hour lithium ion batteries on there. So torque wise, that's got 950 Newton meters static stall torque. You then have a nut busting torque of around 1100 Newton meters. So Niall is now going to give you a demonstration on this lovely van.
Courtesy of Monaghan tires. Yep.
Maybe I bring you back to the old.
And just to show you that I don't have this tweaked, I'm going to try the back tire as well.
Will it work?
It's just that I haven't been at that all morning with an air one. Hope this works.
With ease. As you can see, a must-have in any car garage. The Milwaukee high impact wrench. Thank you very much.